Hello, hello, and welcome. Welcome, hello, and welcome to, this is my McKenzie friend near me profile page. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you're currently going through family court and trying to work out how to deal with it all without losing your head in the process. It's not easy. My name's Jason, and I work as a McKenzie friend supporting people who are representing themselves in family court in England and Wales. For most people, family court is completely unfamiliar territory. You're expected to understand procedures, documents, hearings, and legal language while also dealing with the emotional pressure that comes with disputes about children, finances, or allegations. That's where I come in. My role is to support you through this process, help you understand what's happening and make sure you are prepared for the difficult stages of your case. That support can include things like helping you organise your documents and court bundles, assisting with statements and written evidence. I have specific tools to help you with that, preparing you for hearings and what to expect in court, taking notes during hearings, helping you stay focused on the key issues that the judge will be looking at. And one of the most important things to understand about family court is that how you present yourself about and your case matters, just as much as the documents themselves. So judges are looking for people who are organised, child-focused, and able to communicate clearly. Part of my role is helping you to approach the court in a way that strengthens your credibility, keeps your focus where it should be, basically. And that's on the welfare of the child. Every case is different, although there's similarities. Some people need support preparing for statements or understanding their next hearing. Others need ongoing support throughout the whole case. If you feel overwhelmed or unsure about what to do next, that's very normal. Family court can feel confusing and intimidating when you're dealing with it alone. If you'd like to discuss your situation and see whether I can help, you can contact me through the platform and we can arrange an initial conversation. And that conversation is simply about understanding your situation, where you are in the process and what support you might need and what might be useful for you going forward. And that's literally it. No hard sell, no nothing like that at all. If you want my support moving forward, then we can look at that as and when. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. And I wish you the very best in your case moving forward. My number is available, WhatsApp, mobile, however you need to contact me. If you are a professional looking to join the network, please do contact me. On as many professionals offering as many services as possible, as long as it's supporting family breakdown and people going through family court after with children involved. So take care, all the best. Look forward to speaking to you soon.